Today's video we've titled Everything's Connected to Everything. Now that sounds very zen, it sounds very woo. That's not what it means. It means that the body has to be treated as a whole, and a problem in one joint might not be just a problem in that joint. It might be a problem that's starting from elsewhere. Now the human body needs to be very adaptive. It needs to be very responsive to its challenges. So it needs to be rigid at certain points, and it needs to be mobile and fluid at other points. And it does that by using a chain system. And each link of this chain is usually stable, mobile, stable, mobile, stable, mobile. So you can see that in action easily in a foot, in a lower limb. So you start off with a foot ankle complex, which is very mobile. It's very mobile. The knee is very constrained, it's very stable. It can move only forward and backward. Then the hip is very mobile. It can move all around, it can flex and then it can extend, it can rotate. So that's what I meant when I said it's a chain of alternating structures which are stable and mobile, stable and mobile. If there's a problem in the knee, for example, it might not be that the problem starts in the knee. It might be that the problem starting in the hip or the ankle or both. Now, in our modern lifestyle, where we are very sedentary, most of our ankles and hips are very stiff and very weak. So which means the knee takes the brunt of all of those problems, because it's a very constrained system and any stress on it gets put on the soft tissues inside it. So now you'll end up with ligament tears, you'll end up with sprains, you'll end up with meniscal tears, and you'll end up with osteoarthritis as these problems accumulate over the years. So the solution would be to fix your ankle and to fix your hip, not just fix the knee. So it's when there's a knee problem, it's not enough if you just do quadricep strengthening, which is the standard advice, or add hamstring strengthening, which is the second level of advice, and that's even better than just quadriceps advice. You'll also have to work on the ankle stability, the ankle mobility, the calf and the hip if you need a permanent solution. Now if you go up higher, the neck pain. When people have neck pain, the neck is very complex. It's not just a single chain like you see in the leg. There's this chain from one hand to the other. So that means there's a mobile wrist, a stable elbow, a very mobile shoulder, and the thoracic spine, which is this part has to be stable, and then the mobile cervical spine. On top of that, so that's one chain. Then there's the chain that goes from top to bottom. On top of that, it has to take inputs from your senses, your eyes and your ears. And in order to get those senses congruent, the neck needs to adjust its position. If there's a bird making a noise, I'll need to turn my head around and try and locate it with my ears, and then further refine my position by looking with my eyes. So as you can see, the neck needs to deal with inputs from the chains in the hand, the chains in the torso and the lower limbs, and senses. And then on top of that, there's the jaw. The jaw is it's a joint with very powerful muscles attached to it. Produces a lot of force. That has to then get incorporated into the inputs that the neck takes. There's the tongue, which is constantly moving. There's the breath, which is also constantly moving. So there's a lot of input that goes into the neck, and the end result is a neck that tries to do the best from all of these inputs. So if you need to fix your neck, or if you need to fix your shoulder, you need to look at the neck. If you need to fix your neck, you need to start looking at your eyes and your ears, your jaw, the way you breathe, your thoracic spine and the shoulder. So the neck is not an easy joint to figure out what's going on, but it gets fixed easily purely because it has so many freedoms to move, and so many different ways to move. So the neck is slightly easier to fix in that way. All it needs is the right movement. So coming back to the title, everything is connected to everything. What it means to us, me as the doctor and you as the patient, is that if there's a pain in a joint, it's not enough if you just look at that joint. You need to look at one joint below and one joint above. And it's not just a matter of looking at the structure. You need to look at the function, you need to look at the range of movement, you need to look at the strength of the muscles around that joint above and below. You need to look at, so if it's the neck, you're also going to have to look at the eyes and the ears and the jaw. So that's what I wanted to communicate in this particular video. So if there's somebody who's looking at the shoulder pain videos, also look at the elbow pain videos. If there's somebody who's looking at the knee pain video, you'll also have to look at the hip and the ankle. So it's better to do all of these as a full package instead of doing just hip or just knee or just ankle. So which is why if you want a permanent solution, you need to do the full package. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Everything is connected to everything. You don't have to take it to an extreme. For example, if I've got a neck pain, I don't have to go all the way down to my feet to look for a problem, because as the joint moves away from the problematic area, it's going to exert less and less influence, because most of that influence gets compensated as the problem moves upstream. So what I'm trying to say is, there's no need to take this concept to the extreme. The closer a problem is, a structural or a functional problem is to a joint, the more effect it will have on the joint in question. So there's no need to think about a foot problem when you have a neck pain all the time. You might have to think about it, but it's not your first priority. If you have a foot problem, it's going to cause a problem in the knee or the hip or the back at worst. It's unlikely to go all the way up. So that's about it. I'll just repeat that catchphrase again. Everything is connected to everything. Thanks.